I currently have 6 personal credit cards with Citi, and they are as follows. The Citi Double Cash Card, the Citi Thank You Preferred, the Citi Simplicity Card, the Costco Anywhere Visa, the Citi Dividend Card, and the American Airlines Advantage Mile Up. And of these 6 cards, one of them is going to be going away and being replaced with the new Citi Custom Cash Card. And can you guess which one it's going to be? Hey everyone, it's Mark. I'm here to help you put more money in your pocket through credit cards and smart financial habits. If that sounds good to you, then do me a quick favor and click on the like and subscribe button down below. Also check out the links down below in the description area to view some great credit card offers, to get some additional cash back when you shop online through Rakuten, and to sign up for MAXREWARDS, which is a fantastic app to manage all of your credit cards and rewards in one place. It also allows you to track your purchases across all cards and helps you identify which card to use to earn the most rewards. And if you sign up for MAXREWARDS Gold, it automatically activates your card-linked offers, quarterly spend categories, and a whole lot more. You can get your first month free by using the link in the description. Have you guessed which card I'm getting rid of yet? Because if not, then this is your last chance to see them all, because this is totally ridiculous. And no, I'm not going to spend the whole rest of the video wearing this. So take your guess right now. 3, 2, 1. It's the Citi Simplicity card. Time to say goodbye. Now we are very early on in this video, but you may be wondering, why am I getting rid of a card rather than just adding another one to my overall collection? Because Citi does not limit the total number of cards that you can have. And I'll admit, it's because Chase is holding me hostage. What I mean by that is if I were to open a Citi Custom Cash Card via a new application, I would have to wait even longer before I'd be eligible to get another Chase card, and I'm just not willing to do that because I've been over 524 for over 5 years straight. However, I will circle back at the end of this video and show you the pros and cons of doing a product change, which is the approach I'll be taking to get the Citi Custom Cash Card. So you're going to watch me convert it's stuck to the table with the tape. There we go. The Citi Simplicity card over to the new Custom Cash Card. And I've done product changes with Citi before in the past, over the phone at least, but this will be the first time I'll be doing so over their chat feature on my online account. So let's go ahead and watch me make this happen, because you may want to do the same. Okay, so I began the chat by saying, hi, I'd like to change my Citi Simplicity card ending in 9561 to the new Custom Cash Card. Could you assist me with this? And then it connects me to the Citi bot, which was not a very good experience. It basically said, do not share any sensitive information. Sorry, would you try that again? I'm much better with short requests, so I tried the shortest request I possibly could think of, which was product change. And then it said, okay, you can change your profile information in the profile tab. So clearly it has no idea what I'm trying to do here. So I just simply said representative, again, another short request. It then prompted me to select which account I wanted to get service on. So I said show more accounts, which then brought me some more options. And I selected the Citi Simplicity card, again, ending in 9561. Scrolling down a bit further, it then connected me to a representative named Abraham. He then greeted me, offered me a flex loan in the meantime while he was checking my account. I did not want that, so then I moved on. And then he said, yes, you do have the option to convert to Citi Custom Cash Card. Would you like to do this now? I then responded with, to confirm, I can change the Citi Simplicity card into the Custom Cash Card, correct? He then replied again with, yes, Citi Simplicity card to Custom Cash Card. And I will post the card changes on their features. Please read and confirm so I can proceed with the conversion process. So then it moved on to a very lengthy process of showing me all the different changes to the card rewards categories. There was a little bit of a pause here, so I then asked the question, will this result in an account closure followed by a new account opening? He then said, account number will not change, it will be usable. And after conversion process is completed, new card will be sent. So I was good there with maintaining the same account number. Then we went on a little bit further here, and he gave me the heads up by saying the product you wish to convert will require you to re-provision, meaning re-add your card to Apple Pay. So for example, if you already have a Citi card that you want to switch over to the new Custom Cash or a different card, and you have it on your mobile wallet, you may have to delete it from your mobile wallet and then add the new card once it arrives in the mail, because it may not automatically convert electronically. And then came what looks like the phone script, because it keeps saying must be read verbatim. So as of blah, 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 the date, effective, all this stuff, the late fees, annual fees, APRs, all the terms were basically told to me one after the other. So this went on for quite a long time. Now we're getting into the thank you points, the billing cycles, all that type of stuff, how the card works. And let me scroll up a bit further here. So here's a summary of all the changes. I was going to have a change in my late fees to $40, a decrease in the base purchase APR. I'm going to lose access to Citi deals, my damage and theft protection. I lost my extended warranty. I lost out on my no late fees ever, which is a feature of the Citi Simplicity card. I lost my no penalty rate, and I lost my savings spotlight. So the Citi Simplicity card had all of these features. I never used them, so they were not of value to me, so I was okay with letting those go. I then wanted to confirm a few more things. So I said here, great, so the age of the account, payment history, credit limit, and the account number will all remain intact after the product change. Yes? Abraham then confirmed, yes, that is correct. Please allow me a quick moment to post the rest of the changes. So again, this went on quite a while here about the new cards, the earning rates, yes, no, all that type of stuff, the purchase rates, the fee differences, quite a long process. And then it ended with, that is it. Please confirm if I can proceed, and also confirm your preferred language, English or Spanish. I then wrapped this up by saying, great, preferred language is English, please proceed with the product change. He then said thank you, and a final confirmation must be read verbatim. And I'll scroll down a bit further here because some of this might be of interest to you. I'll receive a new confirmation letter with the new terms and conditions. The new benefits will be applied to my account within 11 days, and my new card should arrive within 10 to 14 business days. Then the new account pricing, including any fee changes, will be applied on 9/11/2021, and I have until 9/10/2021, the day before, to cancel the product change request. Okay, then lastly, would you like to convert your account? I said yes, please convert. And then he asked me lastly to confirm the mailing address where I want to receive the new card. So I did that, and then the chat was complete. So discounting the fact that I had to read like 4 novels worth of terms and conditions to make this product change happen, I say that the overall experience of doing a product change online through Citi's chat feature was a very good one. Now, should you want to do a product change yourself with one of your existing Citi cards, there are some things to be aware of before you make the decision to go through with it. So let's go over some of the pros and cons right now. Let's begin with the pros. And again, I want to clarify that this is for Citi card product changes, and not everything may always hold true with every card issuer. So pro number 1 is that there was no inquiry. A hard pull on your credit report is not performed when changing from one Citi card to another. Number 2, no new account was opened. So a product change does not result in a new card account on your credit report, which could have lowered your average age of accounts and your credit score temporarily. Number 3, preserve account history. Your payment history, account age, and credit limit all remain intact. And number 4, it does not count towards the Chase 524 rule. Because a new card account isn't opened, your 524 account won't change. Then at the bottom of the screen in red is the one major con that came to mind, and that was there's no welcome bonus. So you will not receive a welcome bonus for a product change. Those are for when you open a new card account for the first time. So for my situation, I weighed the pros versus the cons, and for me, I was willing to forego the $200 welcome bonus that's currently on the card, and instead gain the ability to avoid a new hard inquiry, a new account, etc. So that way I can still go after my next Chase card, hopefully at the end of 2021, or if not, early 2022. And the bonus on that Chase card that I have my eyes on right now is much greater than $200. But of course, your situation may be different. Perhaps you don't mind getting a new inquiry and a new account on your report right now, and you'd rather have that welcome bonus up front. So of course, go through the same analysis, weigh the pros, weigh the cons, and then make that decision that's best for you. Also, to prove some of the points that I mentioned on the previous slide, here are a couple screenshots from my Citi account roughly an hour after I did the product change. On the left-hand side, you can see the card tracker showing that a new card is on the way. It was processed on July 22nd when I did the product change. Then it will show me when the card has been shipped, and then also once I've activated the card and it's ready for use. Then on the right-hand side, you can see the new card art that already appeared in my app and also on my online account if I logged in from a web browser. The new name, Citi Custom Cash, is also there with the same card number. So my Citi Simplicity card also ended in 9561, which you can see right there on the back of the card, $95.61. My credit limit also remained the same at $6,900, and I'll also keep the same billing cycle as well. So my next statement closing date will be July 26th of 2021, so I can still get my bill at the same time of the month that I'm used to. So yeah, I missed out on a $200 welcome bonus, a little bit of a bummer, but I'm also very thankful to still be getting a great long-term keeper card with no annual fee to get 5% cash back or 5 points per dollar on very, very valuable at-home, everyday type of categories that I do spend on every single month with the Citi Custom Cash Card. And I'm still on track to be under Chase 524 by the end of this year / early 2022. So very excited about that too. And with all that said, if you enjoyed today's video and believe it could benefit others, then please help me get it in front of more people by liking this video, subscribing to the channel, and turning on notifications. Also, take a look at the links down below in the description area to view some great credit card offers, to get some additional cash back when you shop online through Rakuten, and to sign up for MAXREWARDS, which is a fantastic app to manage all of your credit cards and rewards in one place. It also allows you to track your purchases across all cards and helps you identify which card to use to earn the most rewards. And if you sign up for MAXREWARDS Gold, it automatically activates your card-linked offers, quarterly spend categories, and a whole lot more. You can get your first month free by using the link in the description. And to bring this video to a close, if any of you out there already have the Citi Custom Cash Card, or if you plan to get it soon, let me know the path that you intend to take. Will you be getting it via a new application with that nice welcome bonus, or will you also be attempting a product change as well from a pre-existing Citibank account? Let me know down below in the comments. I thank you all for tuning into today's video. I hope it brought you some great value. I'll see you again in future videos, and until then, do remember that you are great.